Hey everyone, it's Wenda from Wendaful.com. So I cannot believe that it's already March, and if you're anything like me, all of those initial enthusiasm, the new habits for the year are slowly starting to fade. You're not feeling the new year, new me, and things are just slowly starting to fall through the crack, including your planner. So maybe your planner is starting to collect dust, or you're just noticing a lot of extra blank pages lately. But if you are ready to reignite that spark and continue on this productivity journey, then I'm here to tell you that it's never too late. So even though tomorrow is March 1st, you can absolutely start a new planner. You can start your habits over again. It's never too late to start again. So today I'm excited to introduce you to my 2024 digital planner. It is tailored for the busy bees, the eager learners, the productivity enthusiasts, or anyone that's just looking for a more organized life. So this tool is going to be your new best friend for the rest of the year. So if you are looking for a new planner, maybe your current one isn't working for you, it's not bringing you the joy that you thought that it would, then I want to let you in on my 2024 digital planner, which is on sale right now for 25% off with the code PLAN25. So if you need a reset and you need to refocus, you can try out my digital planner for 25% off this week only. So this isn't just another planner sale, it's an invitation for you to breathe new life into your daily routines, making sure that it's just as productive and joyful as you want your life to be. So imagine having a friend that not just keeps track of all of your dates, but also cheers on your goals and dreams. That's exactly what my 2024 digital planner is all about. It's not just an average planner. It's a little space on your iPad where your dreams live, grow, and take shape. With 4 different versions to choose from, it's super user-friendly and fits right into your life. So we've got everything from daily to-dos, monthly overviews, to habit trackers and goal pages, all in one spot. And the best part, it's digital, so it's always with you on any device. So let's dive into how this planner is going to make the rest of your year amazing. So first we are going to start with the yearly tab. So this is where we are going to map out your year, mark important dates, and then break them down into manageable tasks that we can input into our quarters, months, weeks, and days. So I have multiple yearly calendar pages here. You don't have to use all of it. They're just different ways to view things. So we have horizontal, vertical, we have calendars, we have overviews and reminders and bucket lists, and then a vision board. The yearly calendar and important dates are just going to act as your view of the year, allowing you to mark your key dates, holidays, and milestones. It gives you a bird's eye perspective of what's ahead, making it easier to plan long-term projects and vacations without the risk of overbooking yourselves. So here is the horizontal year at a glance. You can plan things this way if you like things more linear. I also have a vertical one if you like blocking off sections this way and you're more of the type of person to see things vertically. And then we have a more simplified overview and then another horizontal one. And then we get into the annual reminders and then holidays and bucket list and then the vision board and theme board. Okay, next is our quarterly breakdown and goals section. So breaking your year into quarters is going to help you focus on short-term objectives while keeping an eye on the long-term goals. So this section encourages you to set specific targets for each quarter and outline all of the steps that you need to take to achieve them, making it more manageable and trackable. So we have a goals overview with little goal planning pages here with action steps to take, and you can actually click on these to go to the more detailed goal planner pages. And if you click this link, it'll take you back to your goals. And then we have the yearly timeline, so you can just see at a glance all the things that you need to be doing. This just makes sure that you aren't overbooking one month, like certain projects or your content. You want to make sure that if you're planning a vacation in the summer, that you don't have too many projects going on in that summer. And then we have the quarterly breakdown, so your big projects for the quarter and when you're going to be working on what week by week, so that you can make sure that you're not overbooking yourself and doing too much, because most of the times when people procrastinate, it's because they have all these projects that you want to do, but they want to start it all at once. But with this timeline, it's just going to help you figure out what you should focus on this week versus week 8. So you can have multiple of that for every quarter, and then we have a reflection and then the goal planning pages. And then we have the quarterly breakdown for your goals here, and then a monthly goals. So you can take your big goals, break it down quarterly, and then break it down monthly, and then even break it down weekly of what you're going to do for week 1, week 2, week 3. And then after that, we have the systems tracker. This is just going to keep you on track. And then next we have a routines page. So establishing daily or weekly routines is so important for productivity. So this page is just going to help you create and refine your routines, whether it's a morning ritual to kickstart your day, a weekly meal planning routine, or a Sunday night review to prepare for the week ahead. Okay, so after the yearly end goals, we're gonna go into our months. So this is the monthly calendar, but it also links to the monthly overview and also your monthly finances. And then if you want to go back to the year, there's also a link for that. So you can just click on that to go to your monthly calendar. So each month gets its own dedicated calendar, and this just helps you ensure that you're not only aware of upcoming appointments and deadlines, but also keep your budget and expenses in check and review your month and add memories from your month so that you can see how you're progressing every single month. And after that, we get into the weekly layouts. So you can click on those weekly circles to get to the week. And my layouts are designed to allow you to plan your week in detail. So from appointments to key tasks, the inclusion of the links to the weekly reviews also encourages reflection on what worked, what didn't, and how you can adjust for better results in the coming week. So I really love this weekly planning page right here because it really helps you to break down your big projects and your big tasks into more actionable steps. So you can start here and then take what you planned here and input that into your weekly plan. So after that, you can go into your daily page just by clicking on the date. If you need space for journaling, space to track your mood, to track your workouts, your meals, all that, the daily page is going to be your space for you to write down any notes about your day, things that you did, and just keep track of all your work-life balance. Because we don't just have 3 things that we need to do for the day. We have things like eating, remembering to eat. So the daily planner is perfect for that. So, it's all about balancing your productivity with your well-being and ensuring that you are taking care of yourself as well. Okay, so next we are going to go into the projects tab. So this projects tab is linked to 20 different projects. So you can just click on one of the numbers and it'll take you to that project page. And then you can click that number again to go back to the project index. So this is just going to allow you to break down those big projects and make a timeline for when you're going to get this done. And then after that, we have lists. So we have specialized lists to enable you to prioritize your tasks, prepare for trips, and tackle projects efficiently. So whether you're planning a vacation or you need a space to just brain dump or have a to buy list or a wish list, it's all going to be here for you in this section. There's also some Kanban boards and action boards if you're more of a visual type of person. And then after that, we get into the notes tab, and this just includes different note pages for you. So we have lined note, we have grid notes, and then we have dot grid, some storyboard notes, and blank notes. So this section is perfect for you no matter what you need. Maybe you just need to do a mind map or brainstorm some ideas. So having a dedicated space for notes ensures that you capture and revisit your important information whenever you need it. Okay, and then the next tab is the health and fitness tab. So these pages are going to allow you to set health goals, track your workouts, monitor your sleep, and more. So keeping health and fitness in the same planner as your other commitments emphasizes the importance of balancing productivity with your physical well-being. So we have body measurement trackers, we have fitness goals and body measurements and training plans, and a running and walking tracker, sleep tracker, shopping lists, and then your health and fitness planner so that you can track your meals, exercise, habits, and water. Again, you can just copy this page if you want to continuously use this as your health and fitness planner. And then finally, we have the custom sections. So this star is your index for your custom sections, and then each one is linked to its own section, or these tabs up here. So we have 5 sections that you can customize, and you can customize them using my templates. So I have a template library with over 90 extra pages for you that you can copy into your sections. So whether you're managing household chores or tracking your spending or nurturing some new habits, you're going to find it all here. So we have the blank inserts, and then we have financial inserts. And then after that, we get into the business inserts. And then your general planning inserts. So like weekly pages, some productivity stuff, routines. And then we have some household inserts, so cleaning routines, KonMari checklists, birthdays and anniversaries, household info, some habit inserts, more health and fitness, like medication and symptoms, some personal and hobby inserts and trackers. And then we have some blog and YouTube inserts, and then for students and teachers as well. So there are a ton of different inserts. You can just copy these into your custom sections. If you need a video on how to do that, in GoodNotes, I have that video. I'll link it down below for you as well. So by integrating all of these diverse pages and tools, the planner becomes a comprehensive system for managing your time, goals, and personal growth efficiently. It ensures that everything important to you is in one place. So that was my goal with this planner. So again, this is just one of the type of planner I have. It comes in multiple different colors. So you can see this is the green version of it. And if you're wondering how I got all of my calendar events in here, this is the app in Zoom Notes where I synced up my calendars and reminders into the planner itself, so that it looks like typed it all in there, but it was actually just automatically imported into there. I have a video on how to do that. It's pretty long, but once you set it up, you only have to do it for one page, and then you can just copy it to the rest of the planner. I'll link that video for you as well. Remember, productivity isn't about packing more into your days, but making every day count. So with this planner, you're not just going to be organizing your tasks. You're going to be setting the stage for a year of growth, achievements, and most importantly, balance. It's designed to be the one place where you can manage everything that matters to you, making life not just more organized, but more fulfilled. Make this planner uniquely yours. You can add stickers to it. You can add your photos, change up the pen colors and highlighters and fonts. Make planning an enjoyable and creative process. I can't wait to see how you personalize it. Feel free to tag me and share your setups with me on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video, and remember that my planners are on sale until March 5th. So you can use the code PLAN25 for 25% off. You can find the links to my shop or my Etsy shop in the description box below. So this is perfect for you if you are looking to switch to digital planning, or if you already are a digital planner, you just want to try something new. Make sure that you grab the planner while it's on sale. And if you want to learn more about planning, productivity, procrastination, and anything like that, just hit that like button, comment below what you want to see next from me, and I'll continue posting videos that are relevant for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.